Namaste. Welcome to another session of Read Jnaneshwari along with me. I am in Key West, Florida, and I am going to present from here some of the OVs of chapter 10. We're beginning with OV 274. Sri Krishna is telling Arjuna, I am the supporter of the beings created. Listen, I am the life. I am the life to all of them. When they are destroyed, I am the death. In addition, amidst female sex, I have 7 forms. They will also be told, listen that with admiration. The renown, which is always new, that is my icon. Arjuna, the wealth tied to generosity, is also my form. The speech, which sits on the comfortable seat of judgment and walks the road of discretion. I am that speech. The memory, which reminds me after seeing a substance seen before. Certainly I am that. The intellect, which follows self-interest. I am that in this world. The courage is me. The pardon is me in these 3 words. Thus, amidst women, these 7 powers are I. Listen, thus said Sri Krishna, the killer of elephant of worldly life. Beloved Arjuna, amidst different songs in Vedas, I am the greater song called Brihad Sam. That is my form, said Sri Krishna, husband of Rama. Among all meters in poetry, the meter called Gayatri is my form. Understand this with no doubt. Among all meters in poetry, the meter called Gayatri is my form. Understand this with no doubt. Amidst all months, Margashirsha, also called December, that month is I, said Sri Krishna, amidst 6 seasons. That which is query of flowers, that springtime is I. Hey, intelligent Arjuna, amidst evil things, gambling is my form. That is why, though theft occurs in open in a square, nobody can stop it. Arjuna, the brightening of all bright substances, that is I. Be certain about this. I am the victory in all dealings undertaken. Amidst all trades, that trade which is full of justice, that is I, said King of all gods, Sri Krishna. The essence present in noble and meritorious people, that is I, said the greatest among Yadavas, who was born to Devaki and Vasudeva, who went to Gokul in exchange of daughter of Yashoda, named Yogamaya. That is I, Krishna. I sucked monstrous putana of her life. Before I finished my childhood, I made world without demons. I elevated Govardhan mountain on the top of little finger, and thus ended the greatness of Indra. I removed the thorn in the heart of Kalindi river. I destroyed Kalia cobra staying there. I protected burning Gokul when Brahmadev stole cows, calves and cowboys. I made him mad by creating duplicate cows, calves and cowboys. In the dawn of my youth, I have done extraordinary things like killing big shots like King Kausa. How many more should I tell you? You have seen and heard all of this. Yadavas, Krishna is my form. In the family of Sun, amidst Pandavas, Arjuna is I. That is why there is no end to our mutual love and friendship. You became detached ascetic and ran away with my sister. Even then, I don't know. Even then, I don't have any doubt in my mind because you and I are one. Among sages, Vyasa, that is I, said King of Yadava, Sri Krishna. Amongst great poets, Ushana, Shukacharya, is another name of Ushana. Ushana is my form, Arjuna. Among governors, who govern equally well from and to Brahmadev, I am that unavoidable government. Among all sciences, essential and non-essential, the one which supports knowledge of religion, I am that science of morality. Hey Arjuna, amongst all mysteries, I am silence. Even Brahmadev is ignorant when he meets speechless people. Hey, knowledge which knowers know, understand, that is my form. Now let us stop. There is no end to these diversities. Arjuna, can you count drops of rain, or can you decide how many shoots of grass are there on earth? Arjuna, you cannot keep account of the waves in the sea. Like that, my different forms cannot be counted. Even when I told you 75 different forms. But all this, I feel, is superficial. There is no limit to extensions of my form. How much should I tell, and how much should you listen? So now I shall tell you my secret at once. The seed which germinates in all beings, that is I. So don't select small or large, abandon thought of high or low, and consider I am the only one in all things. We will stop here. I want to thank you very much for joining me. I am reading these pages of Jnaneshwari from Key West, Florida. Thank you very much for joining. Come again for next session. I stayed in Bayside Inn and Suites on the Highway 1 or North Wigwell Boulevard in Key West, Florida during this day. And this is the hotel.